Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! For today's video guys, for the relaxing muna ang inyong tinderang maganda. So ayan na nga guys, papunta na kami sa Duchess. Dito guys, pwede tayong magpamassage, spa, hair treatment, at marami pang iba guys. Just visit here. So ayan nga guys, tapat lang po siya ng Save More. Store hour po nila is 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Sunday po sila. So, ayan guys, ang kanilang counter or front desk. So, ayan guys, madami pong nagpapalinis. So, ayan guys, ang ginawa namin is nagpamassage po kami with my hubby. And then, yun na nga guys, gabi na po kami natapos. So, uwi na kami guys. Thank you to my asawa for the treat. Yan muna for today's video guys. Bye-bye!